In one world, he bent reality. In another, he bent the rules. One fights to free humanity, while the other fights to survive it. What happens when their worlds collide? This is the Neo Wick Saga. In this series, I fused two different movies into one epic crossover poster. Today's mashup is something every Keanu Reeves fan has secretly imagined: Neo vs. John Wick. I welcome you all to Movie Mashup Series. So, on one side we have Neo, the One. On the other hand, we have John Wick, the Baba Yaga. In this design, I imagine a universe where these two forces finally meet, not as allies, but as rivals. Let's fire Photoshop. So, first off, we start with the backgrounds. Both worlds need to be added with the shattered dimensions effect in both worlds, and now comes the first character, Neo, and then John Wick. Both need to be mirrored, and John Wick is Neo's body mirrored, so we need to adjust the outfit. The shirt comes in, the coat needs to be adjusted, and now we need to add in the guns. You guys must have noticed that I've changed the pose. That was because I didn't want to mirror the characters exactly the same, so I had to change the position of the arms and add in the different guns. So after that, I added in the missing parts of John Wick, as he was missing some legs, so I had to complete those and add in the missing area of the pants. And after I added the shoes, John Wick was all complete. Now, I had to extend the background so that both of them can stand firmly on the ground. Extending the top as well. Masking the images so that they blend in perfectly, and then adding in the shadows and reflections to make both of the characters stand firmly on the ground. Now, we need to adjust the colors of Neo first. After adjusting the lighting a bit and the colors of Neo, just like that, we need to move to John Wick's face. As you guys must have noticed, that John Wick's face was the exact copy of Neo. I just added in the beard and the hair. So that was not giving me the perfect feel to it, so I changed in the whole face, making it perfectly bruised and perfectly set according to the older face, so that it blends in with the body just like it needs to. After that, we can move back to Neo, and we can adjust the colors and give it that extra matrix feel with the green hues and the green lights all falling on the character. Same goes with John Wick. We go towards the highlights that are coming out of the portals, the break in the dimensions, and of course the background. It'll be a blend of purple lights, red lights, and all kind of neon lights. Adding necessary shadows in places where they need to be. After that, we need to make the backgrounds glow a little to add in that extra crisp and extra neon effect to it. So what I did was that I did get a solid layer set on screen, and then I started to make the lights glow and make the dark parts of the image darker. In this way, the background was popping more, and the attention was going all towards the neon colors and the characters. Now, we need to add in the camera raw filter and add in the extra touches to it, and once that was done, here comes the final image. Here you go. The final poster reveal of the Neo Wick Saga. How do you feel that I did? This is, you could say, one of the best posters that I've ever made. It was not that simple to do because I had to change my ideas over and over and over again. But then once I got it together, I think it came out absolutely amazing. What do you guys think about it? I made two versions of this, one with the logo and one without the logo. Tell me in the comments below, which one do you guys prefer? The one with the logo or one without? But of course, since it's a movie poster, I welcome you all to add in comments about the next edit that you guys want to see. Until then, I would like to thank you guys for watching till the end. And the only thing that I request after that would be like, subscribe, and add on post notifications so that you don't miss another video in the future. Till then, bye.